Thank you, Frank, for the lovely intro. On a lighter note, Tookitaki in our language means hide and seek. Hi, I'm Jeeta, co-founder and CEO of Tookitaki. Broadly, we seek out hidden patterns and data, and we do that using machine learning only for regulatory compliance. A little bit about us. We are an international company headquartered in Singapore, already operational in global banks like Societe Generale, Standard Chartered. Till now, we have raised $4 million in funding and have been featured as one of the top 21 AI companies in financial services 2017 globally. At present, we are looking to expand our footprint in the US market. Let's look at the problems surfacing regulatory compliance. Essential but expensive. Complying to regulatory laws are a must, but the world has changed so much after global financial crisis. Regulators have become more stringent, demanding for higher reporting and operating standards, not to mention the multi-billion-dollar fines imposed for non-compliance. Such blank checks are hurting as margins shrink due to stiff competition from fintechs and high-tech giants like Apple, Amazon. To make matters worse, we have antiquated systems and human validation. Let's understand this with a hypothetical example. Bank ABC uncovers a big compliance issue. What's the immediate reaction? The answer? Hire a lot of people, rely on manual investigation to fix it. Surprised? Here's a real one. JP Morgan paid $1.7 billion fine in 2014 for non-compliance. After that, the bank increased its compliance headcount up to 30% of its employee base. Wow, and we have others joining the league too. Not to mention the undying love for rule-based applications. Result? Update rules manually as and when new patterns are detected and tested. The time to market for one rule is just longer than 2 months. Summing up, we have increasing costs on one hand, depleting margins on the other, and a dead end. The solution is hybrid intelligence, introducing Tookitaki, where we incorporate machine learning algorithms and human feedback to process massive volumes of data and uncover new patterns and create rules on the go. Result, improved predictions over time. In regulatory compliance, our offerings are focused on anti-money laundering and reconciliation. Our alert management suite for AML covers transaction monitoring, screening, and KYC. Our reconciliation break management suite can detect any kind of breaks across the banking BAUs. Playing a short product video, hope it works. OK, so we don't have the audio here. So it's displaying our infra layer Tookitaki decision support system. Moving on to our application layer, alert management suite, where analysts can filter the issue, understand the explanations, reconciliation break management. You get the distribution of the breaks. Very easy to view. And each break can be explained. OK, moving on, our competitors are legacy software players like Oracle BAE System, NICE Actimize in AML space, SmartStream, FIS SunGuard in the reconciliation space. They apply rules and charge you millions of dollars. We don't charge you millions of dollars, yet our customers enjoy 30% improvement in operational efficiency and reduction in compliance cost. How do you do that? Here are three pillars of success. Number one, we are able to uncover the underlying changes in data patterns, update rules continuously and automatically, helping you save on time, resource, and model maintenance cost. Number two, we are changing the paradigm. ML is a black box by providing you detailed explanation for every prediction, again helping you save on investigation time and subsequently resource cost. Finally, both the offerings comes with pre-packaged production-ready software licenses and REST API endpoints, facilitating seamless integration with existing infrastructure and faster time to market. Talking of market, our market is huge. Sources confirm that global AML and reconciliation spend have touched $9 billion this year, not to mention the fines which are imposed, with an estimated CAGR of 11.07% in next 5 years. In the last 1 year after we released the product in Q3 2016, our primary focus has been the home market, and our growth has been organic, coming from TPIs or third-party introductions through investor advisory networks and innovation programs within the banks, a hack which has worked well for us. Presenting the KPIs from the last year, we have a $1 million revenue with a $600K recurring revenue, and the sales cycle from prospect to a production license sold is 6 months. We have some aggressive targets for us, $3 million in 2018 with a $9 million in 2019. In line with our expansion plans, our traction for Q4 17 looks promising. We have already signed 3 pilots and sealed the alpha client in the US, Zion Bank. Every startup is successful because of its team, and we at Tookitaki are proud to have a great team with a cumulative experience of 30+ years in finance, machine learning, and big data, led by Abhishek Chatterjee, founder and CEO. Talking of Abhishek, prior to Tookitaki, he was a senior quant associate in JP Morgan, building models for high-frequency trading, went on to manage a $10 billion book of his own. What's next for us? We are serious about growing the business in the US market, looking for investment and channel partners. If you want to be a part of our exciting journey, come talk to me. Thank you.